Donna, you think of the sponsors put you up on top? Just so you know. You believe it's the sponsors that put you on top, Donna? And Derrick them put you up on top. Derrick, you think you could have used me? And I tell you, the motor suck out when me that tell you, you'd have forgot say you dash your belly when you're young. Now come here, Donna. Why you never help a baby mother, a single mother, we have knowledge? Why? Because you can steal the money behind all these unsound minds. It's not about controlling. She could not have helped somebody that is so sensible because her money would have cut short. Now we all understand why Kishana not supposed to collect the money behind your back. Why Kishana not supposed to, why none of your people and where you help not supposed to get attached to any of the gifters. Now if there's a gifter that is helping X, why them can't call X? Gifter want to help X. My question and concern is why you never help nobody with sense? So it's best to wash money behind the unsound minds. It's best to thief from behind mad people. I tell you every day, when I cannot do wrong and in the public eye, when I cannot do wrong and I fight for spotlight, not everybody in the world a fool. We all know Donna takes some of them money. Not some, all of them. Not all of them. A long time I still don't watch Donna. Tell me unique things. Long time I still don't watch Donna. Long time. As some I still don't watch Donna. And I say, what it profit a man to gain this world and lose his soul? Why you think Ramesh jump on Donna? Why you think Ramesh jump on Donna? Why you think Nikki Kromas did want to link off of Donna? You say, you don't have too much criminal mind than FBI thoughts. What is there to Miss Donna for anybody to manage? What is there? When them say them Ramesh manage Donna, this is the first mistake Mr. Ramesh make. What is there for Miss Donna for you to manage? Oh, we're going to turn our cake business big. A few moments later, where is it? We all know pudding and cake seasonal. So why would Ramesh want to manage something that comes in like football? I am pretty sure Miss Donna used to sell her pudding them right through the year. Now they are only seasonal. Only need to be careful with what you guys doing. Donna need for humble herself. Donna need for humble herself. Help without a speech. You're too damn mixed up for a big woman. Every single thing. You see like how you love dog out people? Your time coming. Trust and believe. Your time is coming. No sin no go unpunished. You chat too much, Donna. You're too bagga. You chat too much. You're too enough. So let me ask you a question. The big question is, Donna, did you really have any sponsors that really want to your program and you say nothing that you have? Sponsors help you to buy. Stop. If no sponsor not help you for buy nothing, where you have no sponsor, never sponsor you yet. Remember, you start out very poor. That's how you introduce yourself. And when we see the money start coming in, you start flourish. So if no sponsors never buy you nothing, and the money they come in for the homeless and the helpless and the needy, how you start flourish? Because you never take none yet. So was it a base where we wash the cash through Donna? You chat too much. You chat too much. Donna never in a position for borrow loan. Donna never in a no position for borrow no loan. Remember Donna started with the cooking show. The cooking show never that pop no shot. Wanna remember that. And you can't borrow loan when you start going like you help people build places because we see the money coming in. So somebody explain to me. Because you have a program that helps people and you're going, and the program itself help you based on where you steal from it. And you are going to say that no gifter never give you and never help you yet. It spark a plug. It says something based on your track record. So where you get money from? Remember, you take up the whole of the place, you know. The people them can never talk. Remember, be careful, Donna. Donna, be careful. You're not all that squeaky clean. Yeah, wanna stay too bad. Wanna stay too bad. A woman and you have disagreement, the woman get bad up. Still only talk how much time them bad her up. Still only can't even cuss you and class you and tell you the truth because she's supposed to keep shh. Wanna too unfair. Wanna too unfair. And you always want in a spotlight and you realize say, he's a big old cow. Hey, sit down and do your business. And like everybody say, you can't touch one back our money. Everybody run you stiff so. Nobody in a freelance run you. Everybody run you stiff so. Me not understand how you train your camp. That's why I say, last week Paula get papers. Last week, that's why Derrick not supposed to eat Chinese food when he come to you for help. So if him come to you for help, then if Derrick did eat KFC, that box it all time out. Of course. So me not understand how Donna she a go on. I like, see her? Me have one of them glasses there, but me can't find it. See her? Put on the big goggles. And as she put it on, she start video to all you get mommy and daddies never hug you when you're young. See her? Lord, me say Blanca people. Everywhere me walk in at the airport, somebody recognize me. And that's always still there. No, and that's always still there. Even when I turn to the airport, somebody recognize me. The same recognition the mongrel dog get where shit up the airport when nobody no own, and the same attention you get from people. There is nothing to you. Me not even know some of them. Donna, you supposed to know everybody on the internet because you alone beg for mad people. You supposed to know, you don't know the TikTokers them and everybody have something. You know everybody on the internet. And you alone sell name bad. And you alone selling yam bad. All of a sudden you don't know nobody. All of a sudden cake can sell once a year. And through them don't know I have behind closed door. Then we know how you get it. We don't want to know what you have. We know how you get what you have. Miranda Coke want and yeah, one like Derrick not for eat. So when Silone did that yam, when you walk a beg for Silone. When Silone did that yam, that is why I said Donna is a wicked dirty bitch. How you forget a mad girl house and a girl and not send a mad girl to hospital? How can you put a sick man in a palace without catering to his health first? How? How? The lady's sick. You don't see begging her right. Instead of leaning towards the lady mental situation, yeah, put where we are by the block and the house, and the woman can't even understand where I'm going in her life, because right now it's a cigarette, and that's why Derrick not to eat Chinese food. So when Paula eat round there, Paula only can eat what you give to her. Paula better, hey Paula, your little stomach better try no commercial, you know? Yes, little stomach better try no feel commercial. Oh, because if it's Donna say a saltfish and okra cook around there with dumpling and banana, trying to make no commercial drop on your chest plate.
Things online I gotta think about,
I see some people I leave comment about, only just eat pan the woman, and all on that eat pan the woman, God still a bless the woman. If we are eat pan a woman, we're supposed to help the less fortunate, and she don't want the less fortunate rise or feel comfortable. We're not hating, we're congratulating.
I know things to do, but you know it's not you. It's me, you know, it's really me, you know, basically.
You're not for eat. Derrick, don't eat nothing more for the day. Don't eat nothing more. Watch your weight. Watch your weight. People like them in the one near me. People like Donna could have never come near me. I'm mad. We made with Donna for she said, Shebada enough for your place. Them watching and I said, give me the CD and the cassette and the thumb drive. Give me everything. All YouTube. Me know why you watch me. Oh. Give me every single thing. Me know why you watch me. Yeah. Staying over your friends, cause you got a lot on the mind. Now you're squaring up and down. And I mean, say me I go buy him shirt, them, you know. I'm still gonna buy him shirt. Will they buy Derrick shirt today or tomorrow? It not help. Some of the money curse. Some of the money curse. Some of the give people money for take them money. Some of the money curse. Some of the money near mash up. Yeah, some of the money curse. That's why I'm in a shopkeeper, you know, because some people may come out and tell me to print through the mesh, me not have it. Sell me this pan display, me not have it. Yeah, I could sell me that for have clients. Me not for open my shop every time somebody call me. Me not lie. Me just a Christian and gospel, you know. Cause from you come in my shop and my head raised, me not have what you want. Oh, you know what I want? Me I think for you, I know your thoughts. Yeah? Me not have it. Me could do it. Me no, that's why me not friend people on the internet. Me no want any and everybody be my friend. The mere fact say me and you have build a connection is the mere fact say me and go down. Can you see me now? Yeah. For sure. And I wanna now believe it and understand it until it lick on for 6. Then I'm gonna say, at this shibby always talk. At this shibby always talk. Let me tell you something. A whole heap of people up on the internet for them own financial gain, for them own personal gain. Nobody not up on the internet because they love their audience. We are here and see what we can beg you one art now. From money, I don't get something I get no art. Beg you one lion now. Beg you one tiger now. No, for real, that is how it goes on the internet. When we can't get it. Take back that what's it, Brittany. You get what me say? We're all here for a gain. Me never tell a lie and I'm not perfect. Me the only one, I think I am one of the only person who do this thing for no reason at all. Come in, no reason. I don't have no reason. Yeah. No, for real. But if you're gonna do it, Pauline, you have to do it because you love the people who support you. A lot of us saying that we love the people who support you, we really don't. Miss Donna, I love Derrick Morgan, but I wish I could keep him down. Something simple as much. If me beat them Jody B, me and you no longer friends. You understand what I say? There are some set of nasty people. And guess what? When they advertise themselves on the internet like this and pretend to be what they are not, we don't know who we're putting in positions. We don't know who we're putting in positions. Because if you have persons who are trying to stop homeless dreams, then you can imagine the ones who are not homeless and hopeful. We not see it, so you know. If you have a Donna where all Wally pa uno wants, well, put Donna pa money. Now what is book of open me I read Bobby Slims, me not so bright. Yeah, put Donna pa money. Because since she is such a good individual, when I pay mad people she build house gate. No help, but build house gate. And forget about them. And when the money slow down or the money come through now, charity lock, gifting done. We're picking up back season 2. So me not understand how you know for jump up and say, yeah, help it. That you never help nobody yet a day in your life. You never help nobody yet. The more persons you help a man, the more people you help a man. A man alone you help. You never help no Tom, Dick, nor Harry. Eh? And you never ever help Derrick. Because then it's all this spring party and send me my family. Yeah, pick up for Donna. Yeah, tell me where Donna can tell me you send me a big wheel. And you see how hard me I try to lose weight. Yeah, me say when Miss Donna come, first time when Miss Donna come on the net, I want something for tie my head because the woman so holy. I want to tie my head. Yeah, when Donna come on the net. No, Mama! No, me say, when Donna come on the net appear respect clothes. Me I come the people. Because nobody can tell me, and not even they know the denomination. Can it look like Pentecostal Jehovah's Witness? Remember all of Donna clothes them cover. Nobody don't remember Miss Donna. The rap. Donna, you forget the rap. I forgot say if you in a something you saw, you now be unholy, you come. With Donna scarf. Give me Donna scarf. Cause one thing with that woman you should cover, and she not Queen Africa. No man, Donna me a come. Where pastor there? I wonder where Donna pastor there. Donna, where your pastor? Because one thing we know with me. Yes, no man, I rap, you know. Donna, I one of them. Donna, you are wear summer from before summer boss. Donna did I wear the suit. Remember I saw you come up. Woo. So you come up and remember this. You know, stop cook. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're taking you over here now. Yeah, Danny, you remember they didn't look so? You don't remember they didn't look so? You don't remember at all when you did well cover though? Well, I do. Just a friendly reminder to you. This is only if you have a RT boss who will be a wife. My favorite auntie boss over, but Donna, you're coming from this. This is where you're coming from. No man, upon Sister Shibby. Jesus have mercy, Sister Shibby, I love hip. You know, say Pastor son would have so married me. I have to leave this church. Sister Shibby, Donna saw you used to look. Donna, me not tell no lie. This is how you used to. Me not lie, me look real good. I used to talk about the goodness of Jesus. And all that he has done. Then you can imagine Donna when last you leave church and go home. Oh God. I can't bother. No, ladies and gentlemen, this is where I'm gonna stop for today. I'm going into a meeting. Yes. Yes. Bishop meeting. I'm going to a meeting. Lord. She must skirt have split me off a double it. And wear white slip underneath it. Thank you. I feel so holy. Hallelujah. Yay! Pastor want me to do a rendition. This song. I don't know why Pastor asked me to do it, you know. Oh, Donna, big crutches, Donna. Oh, Donna, catch man, Donna. Oh, Donna. I love you.